Come to the point. Which exercise was going on? Exercise 6th E is over now. 6th
Yes.
E. Now 6th F. What you are going to study in exercise 6th F? Questions based on ages, questions based on CP and SP, questions based on time and work. Three types of questions you are going to study in this exercise. Which three types? Questions based on ages, questions based on CP and SP, questions based on time and work. So these three types of questions you are going to study in exercise 6F. So I start the exercise 6F. So you see here, now you see, sixth F exercise. First question. 5 years ago, A's age was 4 times the age of B. 5 years hence means after. A's age will be twice the age of B. Find their. Listen carefully.
आपका बंद कर दे हो.
Muskan, your mic, close your mic. Muskan, I'm saying first question I have read. One more time I'm telling you. Two conditions are given in this question, and it is the question based on ages. A and B, two persons are there. A and B, two persons are there, and relation between the ages of A and B 5 years before and four years after. Sorry, 5 years after it is given. Relation between the ages of A and B 5 years before, what was the relation? And after 5 years, what will be the relation between the ages of A and B? It is given. So we will make first two equations and we will solve. So to make the two equations, first of all, we will have to suppose the present ages of A and B be x years and y years respectively. So you can write let the present ages of A and B be x years and y years respectively. Let the present ages of A and B be x years and y years respectively. Now you can take the condition, what is the condition in the question, and make the equation. So condition, first condition, 5 years ago, A's age was 4 times the age of B. Listen, first of all, you tell me 5 years ago, then 5 years ago, A's age. What will be the age of A 5 years ago? This time A is X years old. So what will be the age of A 5 years ago? Anybody can tell. Anybody can tell.
So 4x plus 5.
Who told Karthik Agarwal what I asked? First you tell me my question. What I asked. Tell what I asked. What is the question and what is the answer? I am not getting. What question I am asking, what answer you are giving, I am not getting. Simply I asked, this time A's age is X years old. So what will be age of A 5 years before, 5 years ago? What will be the age of A 5 years ago? Tell. Karthik Agarwal, what is your age now?
So my age 13.
13. So 5 साल पहले कितनी होगी आपकी एज?
Sir 8.
कैसे पता लगा आपको ये?
So minus कर.
So then age of A will be
4x minus 5.
4x minus 5. तो आप
Sir,
अपनी
no,
में
no.
क्यों नहीं कर रहे हो? आप अपनी को क्यों नहीं कर रहे हो 4x minus 5?
So minus 5.
So what will be his age? What will be his age? A's age. A की एज कितनी है इस समय?
Sir x.
तो फिर 5 साल पहले कितनी होगी?
Sir x minus 5.
Then if you know very well x minus 5, so why you are saying 4x minus 5, 4x minus 5? So it will be x minus 5. X minus 5 years. And B's age. What will be the age of B 5 years ago? Anybody can tell? What will be the age of B 5 years ago? Karthik Agarwal.
I can tell, sir.
Okay.
Sir 4 into y minus 5.
मतलब B की एज 4 into y minus 5.
So yes.
अपनी में क्यों नहीं कर रहे हो तुम 4 into?
So y minus 5.
Then again and again telling wrong. So simple thing you are not telling. In class 8 also such type of questions came. And in class 9 you are silent. All the students are silent. Karthik is saying wrong. So it will be B's age will be y minus 5 years. Is it clear? 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 Question is clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Varnika is absent today. Varnika is absent. Okay. So this time presently I have supposed age of A is X years, age of B is Y years. 5 years ago A's age will be X minus 5 years, B's age will be Y minus 5 years. Now in these ages condition is there. In these ages means between the age X minus 5 years and Y minus 5 years condition we have to apply. In ages X minus 5 years and Y minus 5 years, first condition we have to apply. What is the condition? Condition is that A's age is 4 times the age of B. So according to question, therefore A's age is X minus 5 and this X minus 5 is 4 times the age of B. So 4 into age of B is Y minus 5. So you can get the equation. Yes, tell what is the problem? Who spoke? Who spoke this? Please tell. Okay. X minus 5 equals 4y minus 4 by the 20. Now it will become x equals 4y minus 20 plus 5. X equals 4y minus 15. It is first equation. Now you have to tell after 5 years. After 5 years. Age. What will be the age of A after 5 years?
X plus 5.
X plus 5. X plus 5 years. Now correct. Now correct. And his age?
Y plus 5.
Y plus 5. Y plus 5 years. Therefore, what is the condition?
I can tell, sir.
Find the age of B.
Tell the
I can
condition.
tell. Sir, I can tell.
Twice the age of B.
X plus 5 equal to 2 into Y plus 5.
Correct. Correct. Quite correct. Quite correct. X plus 5 equals to into Y plus 5. In these ages, condition is there. So it will become x plus 5 equals to y plus 10, which implies that x equals to y plus 5. It is second. From 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, we get 4y minus 50, 4y minus 50 equals 2y plus 5. 4y minus 2y equals 15 plus 5. 2y equals 20. Y equals 10 years. Y equals 10 years. You can check why second age of B is coming 10 years or not. Now, have you done this portion?
Sir, no.
Yes,
Sir.
You do fast. Do the portion. Next. From equation 1 or from equation 2, you can find the value of x. From 1, x equals 4 into 10 minus 15, which implies that x equals 40 minus 15, which implies that x equals 45 years. So hence, the present age of A equals 25 years, and the present age of B equals 10 years. Are you getting this thing? Have you got? Have you got or not?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next question.
Yes, sir.
Next. Question number in a fourth question we will take. Fourth question we will take. Listen carefully. The age of a man is twice the sum of the ages of his two children. After 20 years, his age will be equal to the sum of ages of his children at that time. Find the present age of man. Listen carefully. Here, what is the comparison? One man is there, and sum of the ages of children is there. What I told? What I told?
Sir, there is a man whose age is the sum of his two children. Means twice the
Yes.
age of his two
Yes.
children.
So what will be suppose we have to find the age of man. So we will take age of man be x and sum of the ages of two children be y here. So you can take let and present age is given. The age of man is twice presently. Let the present age of man be x years, or let the present age of man is equal to x years, and the sum of the ages of two children, and the sum of the ages of two children, sum of the ages of two children equals 5. So age of man x years, sum of the ages of two children y years. Okay. Now condition we will apply. Then what is first condition? Man's age is twice the sum of the ages of two children. So listen, man's age, what is the man's age? X. X equals double of
y.
y, because I have taken sum of the ages of two children y years. This is the sum of ages of two children. This y years is not the age of a single person. This is the sum of the ages of two children. Is it clear to all of you? Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, after 20 years, second condition. Second condition is man's age will be equal to the age, sum of the ages of his children after 20 years. After 20 years, man's age is equal to sum of the ages of his children. This is the condition. One more time I am telling to you, after 20 years, man's age is equal to sum of the ages of his children. So man's age after 20 years, what will be the man's age? After 20 years, what will be man's age? 20 साल बाद व्यक्ति की एज क्या होगी? मैन की एज क्या होगी? आइए
X
करिए
plus 20.
x plus 20.
Plus 20.
Yes, x plus 20. Now can you tell me what will be the sum of the ages of two children after 20 years?
Sir, y plus 40.
y plus 40. y plus 40. y 40 क्योंकि टू चिल्ड्रन है, एक बच्चे की दोनों की पहले की एज 20 इयर्स बढ़ेगी, दूसरे की भी एज भी 20 इयर्स बढ़ जाएगी. इज इट क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
दोनों की एज में 20. हु टोल्ड?
Karthik.
No, before that, Karthik, before that, somebody spoke. Somebody said, हाँ, telling. जब 20 साल के बाद मान लीजिए 2 बच्चे हैं, तो दोनों की बच्चों में 20 ईयर्स प्लस होगा कि नहीं होगा? मान लीजिए आप भाई बहन है और आप 20 ईयर्स के बाद दोनों की एज 20 बढ़ेगी या एक की बढ़ेगी 20 ईयर्स?
सर दोनों की बढ़ेगी।
फिर 40 का इंक्रीमेंट हुआ दोनों की
Yes.
एज। सो यू हैव टू राइट हियर y plus 20 plus
20 plus
20. So it will become x plus 20 equals y plus 40. So it will become x equals it is second equation. Now it will become from 1 and 2 we get in first equation value of x in terms of y, in second equation value of x in terms of y. So we can make the comparison. So both are we can take equal because both are the values of x. So both values of x will be equal. 2y equals y plus 20. 2y equals y plus 20. So y equals 20. From 1, x equals 2 into 20, 40. 2 into 20, 40. And the percentage of man, equals 40 years. Percentage of man equals 40 years. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
So this we had to find. So these were the questions based on ages. These were the questions based on ages. Now question is coming from what happened? Sayyid Aris, mute your mic. Next. Very interesting question is coming. Very interesting question. 7. A and B have some pencils. If A gives 10 pencils to B, then B will have twice as many as A. And if B gives 10 pencils to A, then they will have the same number of pencils. How many pencils does each have? So first of all, I will suppose number of pencils with A and B, X and Y respectively. Let the number of pencils with A and B, X and Y respectively. Let the number of pencils with A and B, X and Y respectively. Then listen, this time A has X pencils, B has Y pencils. Is it clear? Is it
Yes,
clear?
sir.
A के पास X pencils है, B के पास Y pencils है. What is the first condition? First condition, A is giving 10 pencils to B. Suppose you two persons are there. You brother and sisters are there. You both are having 10 pencils. Sorry, X pencils. Both are having X pencils. Your brother and you. Okay. So you are giving 10 pencils to your brother. So how many pencils you will have after giving 10 pencils?
Sir, x minus 10.
Yes.
X
And
minus-
how many pencils your brother will have?
Y plus 10.
Sir, y plus
Y
10.
plus 10. Y plus 10. Correct. Very correct. Very correct. So A gives 10 pencils to B. B will have twice as many as of A. So condition you apply. Y plus 10 equals twice of
2 into
twice of
x minus 10.
X
X
minus
minus
10.
10.
X minus 10. So it will become y plus 10 equals 2x minus 20. So y equals 2x minus 30. It is first equation. Next, and what is second condition? Now, if your brother gives you 10 pencils, then how many you will have?
X plus 10.
Yes, and your brother?
Y minus 10.
Y minus 10. So what is the condition? If B gives 10 pencils, then they will have same number of pencils. Means X plus 10 equals Y minus 10. They are having equal pencils. So it means that Y will come X plus 20. It is second. From 1 and 2, both are the values of Y. From 1 and 2, we will get from 1 and 2x minus 30 equals 2x minus 30 equals x plus 20, which implies that x equals 50, which implies that x equals 50 from 1 or from 2 you can take from 2 y equals 50 plus 20, y equals 70. Hence, the number of pencils with A equals 50 and the number of pencils with B equals 70. You can check the answer. You can check the answer.
Sir, right answer.
Sir, correct.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this time how many are there? I'm taking a screenshot. Twenty-one are there only. Okay. So now question number 10. Okay, tomorrow I will take this question number 10. Tomorrow it will be taken. This is the question related to time and work. This is the question related to time and work. And one more question is there based on CP and SP. This question number 9 and question number 8 also. Is it clear?
Yes,
Is it
sir.
clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this time
Excuse me,
20.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Just tell Karthik what you are
Sir,
saying.
tomorrow our class is at 11 o'clock.
Yes. Very good, very good, very good. You reminded me. Your class will be at 11 o'clock. I think I have made the plan, and
Yes,
it was showing in your mobile.
sir. Yes,
Or not?
sir.
So
Yes.
tomorrow, third period will be taken. Tomorrow, first period will
Yes,
be taken. Tomorrow, first period will be taken by your ma'am. That what is her name?
Achal ma'am.
Yes, Achal ma'am. Achal ma'am will take your first period, and I will take
Yes.
your third
Okay.
period.
Yes.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
So
sir. Yes.
it's the time to sum up. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
You can leave the
Thank you,
class.
sir.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Seven are remaining. Leave the class. 6 are remaining.